A very warm good afternoon to all of you. Dear student, in this lecture we will study about back cross. What is this back cross? Student, it is a method devised by Mendel to improve the quality of your hybrid. Clear? Suppose your hybrid is capital T, small t, or it can be of small t, small t. Clear? This is the progeny of your F1 generation. Clear? You remember that how we used to take out this F1 hybrid? Yes, by simply crossing homozygous tall with homozygous dwarf, and your F1 generation would be heterozygous tall. Okay, so in this way we can take it out. And in this, student, we will multiply it with, we will cross it with your homozygous parent, homozygous dominant parent, because here the quality which I got in my F1 generation was not that much good. Okay, so I will cross it with the homozygous dominant parent so that the quality, the feature, the characteristics of this must be in my next generation. Clear? Okay, suppose first I am taking the example of this. Clear? It will give two type of gametes, this and it will give this. Then what it will produce? Capital T, capital T. See here, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, and capital T, small t. In this way, I have improved the quality of 50% of the plant, because those would be your homozygous dominant tall. Okay, whereas 50% would be your heterozygous tall. So in that way, I've improved the quality of 50% of the plants. Understood? I hope so that you have got. Okay, and now I will take the F1 generation, which is your small t, small t. Okay, it will produce two type of gametes, and the quality which I will get in my next generation would be capital T, and small t. Okay, I don't want that the plant to be dwarf. I want the plant to be tall. So in that way, I will cross it with your homozygous dominant parent, and whatever I'll find in my next generation, it would be your all tall plant. So see, by crossing it with your homozygous dominant parent, I have improved the quality of my next generation. Earlier, it was your dwarf, but now all will be your tall. So in this way. Okay, back cross is used to improve the quality of your hybrid. Clear? And test cross is also a part of your back cross only. Okay, because in back cross we cross it with your homozygous dominant parent, whereas in case of your test cross we cross it with your homozygous recessive parent. Okay, so I hope so that you have got an idea. Okay, but if still there is any query, please feel free to call me. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.